Hi, I'm Paddy from windowanddoorparts.ie, and in this video I'm going to show you how I open a uPVC window that has a broken window lock. So as we can see from our window here, the handle is moving but the lock is not releasing. And the first thing we want to do is to remove the handle. In some cases the spindle can become detached from the handle and this will cause the window not to open and close. This method will only work if the window handle is removed. Don't even try without removing the handle, it's a waste of time. So as we can see here, the handle is okay. If the spindle has become detached from your handle, you will see this when you remove the handle. If the spindle has come away from your handle like this, just push it back into the handle and just test to see that the lock is working. If your handle is detached like this, I have a video in the description below on how to replace the handle. The next thing to do is to go to another opening or another window of the same type in the house. On the seal around the frame, grab the seal and pull it. If the seal is push fit like this is, it will pop out. Some window manufacturers have co-extruded seal, which means the seal is made part of the frame and cannot be removed. Having the seal removed will make the process of opening the lock a lot easier. I will also show you what I do on co-extruded windows. So with a flat screwdriver, prise the seal out like this. Next, use a small Allen key and clamp it into a vice grips like this. Notice the direction I have the Allen key clamped. Next, put the Allen key into the gap between the sash and the frame and turn the vice grips towards the lock. With the seal gone, you will be able to see the keep in the gap. This will show you the approximate location of the roller lock. If you can't see it, move along the Allen key until you hit something solid. Now there's two possible directions you can go. One will open the lock and the other will close it. This will be a case of trial and error. It can only be one or the other. If nothing happens in one direction, try the other. At this point here, I hit the roller. Pull sharply with the vice grips and it should open. The lock might be seized, so you might need to give the vice grips a couple of taps with a hammer. Just push the seal back into place. Next, I'm going to show you what I do on co-extruded window frames. You will need a wide pane scraper. Do not use a screwdriver as it will leave a big gouge in the frame. Use a wide pane scraper, that will spread the pressure. Put the pane scraper in between the frame and the sash and gently pry. Next, put the Allen key with the vice grips into the gap and locate the locking point. Use a hammer to give the vice grips a few taps to open. Now I'm going to show you the method in a little bit more detail on the lower sash. So this is what happens in a bit more detail. Put the Allen key in along the sash and turn it towards the lock. Depending on what way the window is locking, you will either need to push or pull the roller lock. And that's how I open a broken window lock.